In this video, I'll show you how to download Crypto.com on your desktop. First, it's important to know that the main Crypto.com mobile app is designed primarily for smartphones. However, you can still access Crypto.com services on your desktop using the official Crypto.com website and web platform. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer and go to the official Crypto.com website. Once the page loads, look for the login option at the top of the page. From there, you can sign into your Crypto.com account using the same credentials you use on the mobile app. If you don't have an account yet, simply select Sign Up and follow the steps to create one. You may still need to complete identity verification using the mobile app, since some security steps are designed specifically for mobile devices. After logging in, you'll be able to access features such as managing your crypto balances, trading on the Crypto.com exchange, and reviewing your transaction history directly from your desktop browser. This allows you to manage your Crypto.com account from your computer without needing to install additional software. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.